Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making agua chile, and here are the ingredients that you'll be needing for this dish. So you'll be needing 2 pounds of shrimp. They will be peeled and deveined. So depending on how much you're going to be making, you will be needing a lot of limes. Same thing with the cucumbers, but in this case we'll be using 2 of them. Personally, I don't like it that spicy, but I'll be using 3 chiles serranos. A red onion so it could give it that nice flavor. Also salt and pepper to your liking. If you prefer a lot of salt or a lot of pepper, that is up to you. So first off, we start by peeling the cucumbers. Start off by cutting the cucumbers. Depending on how you like it, you could do small pieces or big pieces, but it's up to you how you prefer them. This is how 2 diced up cucumbers look like. Next, we're gonna cut the onion in half, and we're gonna take away the outer layer. It depends if you want to use it in the agua chile as well. If not, you could just throw it away. So with the onion too, it depends if you want to do small chunks or big chunks. Depending if you want to use the whole onion, you could do that as well. If not, you could just do half of the onion, depending on the portions. So the next long process is by cutting and squeezing the limes. So now we're going to start squeezing the limes into a different bowl. This process can get very messy because of the lemon squeezing. I don't like the shrimp tails, so we're gonna take them off, but if you like, you could also leave them in there.
This is also a long process.
I personally don't like the shrimp being whole, so we're gonna cut it into smaller pieces. I'm gonna start pouring the lemon juice in there. You need to leave a little room in there so you could use some of the lemon juice so you could blend it with the Chiles serranos. For those who prefer spicy, leave the seeds in, but we're gonna take off the seeds off of the Chiles serranos so it won't be that spicy. I'll start off by putting some lemon juice in there. We're gonna put the Chiles serranos in there. Salt to your liking. And pepper to your liking as well. Time to pour in the mixture. And time to mix it all together. As you can notice, the shrimp is already turning pink with the lime juice. It's showing you that it's being cooked by the lemon juice already. So we're gonna mix it up really good and we're gonna leave it in the fridge for a good hour or so.
1 hour later.
So this is how it looks like after the 1 hour mark. And right here, if you want to try it, if it needs more salt or pepper, you could add a little bit more. So here is a little taste test for the Agua Chile.
A little bit of everything. Delicious. Could be spicier.
Now time to enjoy it with some Tostitos, saltine crackers, or tostadas of your choice. Here is the final results. Bon appetit!